In this video, I want to show you how to embed items. There's a few different options that you have. If you click on the Add Materials on your course page, at times you'll have some external tools over here that you can use. So like I could embed Discovery Ed Education items. Just clicking on it, mine's not going to sign me in, but you'd be signed into your account, and then you could search through the materials they have just to embed what you want there. You can also go to Add File, Link, or External Tool, and under the link one, you can paste an embed code there and add it in. The other thing that you can do is if you go to Add Materials and Add Page, I'm going to add a YouTube one here. And I'm actually going to switch this to HTML mode using these two little dots over here. And I'm going to go to the YouTube one that I want to embed. And I'm going to hit Share. And then I'm going to click on Embed. And I can copy that part. Down here, if I wanted it to start at a certain time, I could click that and tell it what time to start. But I'm just going to let it start at the beginning. So I'm going to come back to Schoology. And I'm just going to paste that in. So that's my iframe code that I need. And then I can switch that back. This is how much space that this is going to take up. And I can hit Create. Now when I click on this YouTube link here, you can see the video is embedded. It's not within YouTube's thing, it's within my space. Okay. Another option that you have on certain websites, if you can't find an embed code, is you might be able to embed the web page itself using a tool called iframe generator. So I'm going to add another page. And this one's just going to be called KSU. I'll switch it to HTML just like I did with the YouTube one. And this time I'm actually going to copy this page's web address. And then I'm going to go to this tool that's called iframegenerator.com. And on this, it's a little hard to see some of these words because of these things on the side. But on this first one is scroll bar. And I'm going to change that to yes. That way I can see the whole page if I need to. Down here, this is where the URL goes. So I'm going to go ahead and paste that in. And I could change the height and the width here if I wanted to. I'm going to go ahead and make this 800. Let's make that 900 for now. Well, I could hit preview and see what this is going to look like. So within Schoology, this is kind of how this page would look. They have the scroll bar to go up and down, but they're basically on this page. All the links here still work because it's embedded. So if I like that, I can go ahead and hit generate. Copy that code. Go back to my Schoology course. Paste it in. I can switch back to visual. You can see the size it's going to take up. So it's much larger than my YouTube video. And then hit create. Now if I click on that KSU page, here's that page embedded into my Schoology site. Now my one disclaimer would be, just like with YouTube videos, depending on the content creator. So some websites do not allow their materials to be embedded. And the same thing with YouTube videos. Some YouTube content creators don't allow their materials to be embedded either. So then you'd probably have to do just a link to that page. Thanks for watching.